want to show you the same exact colors, how different it looks when you focus on a slightly different palette. So what's fun that's happening here is I'm keeping color families together. So I've got the browns, and then I dip into a little bit of that green and teal, and then I push it over from the browns into the full-on teals. And you can see the points of the star are beginning to emerge. And it's just big half square triangles. And this is the money piece, total money piece. This is the star, which is the center. And we're now doing the star dark instead of light, like in the first colorway. This is where you start to see the quilt top come to life with the dark value, the light values, and then the corners remaining dark. But how to get the real pop in the middle is by using this chalk and charcoal midnight. And that is your heaviest, darkest value in the entire quilt. And we put it in the center because that's where you want the drama. That's where you want the oomph.